My name is Daria. I'm from Russia, Russian embassy.
Yes.
I think it is very nice evening, very important evening because football it is common sports and it is very nice because a lot of people from different country can play with.
It's
Thank you.
best wishes.
Yeah. But
जितने डिप्लोमेट्स पाकिस्तान में आते हैं डेफिनेटली हमारे मेहमान भी होते हैं। मैं समझता हूँ कि ये लोग जब भी यहाँ से जब जाएं तो पाकिस्तान का एक सॉफ्ट इमेज लेकर जाएं। हम जब काफ़ी सारे ऑलमोस्ट 27 कंट्रीज़ के डिप्लोमेट्स हैं जो हमारे साथ खेल रहे हैं और ये उनका स्टाफ भी खेल रहा है।
अरबियस की जो हमने टीम बनाई है उसमें स्पेनिश एम्बेसी के लोग इन्वॉल्व हैं, उसके अलावा अपना अज़रबैजान एम्बेसी के भी हैं, रशियन एम्बेसी के भी हैं, उसके अलावा सोमालिया एम्बेसी, सूडान एम्बेसी, ओमान एम्बेसी। तो बहुत अच्छी इनकी एक टीम बनी हुई है। और बाकी हमारी टीम का नाम गोल्डन स्टार है जिसमें कुमन एम्बेसडर भी है, ब्राज़ीलियन प्लेयर्स भी हैं, इटालियन प्लेयर्स हमारे साथ उसमें मौजूद हैं।
It's a big gathering by the diplomatic arena as well. जो diplomatic circle है उसका confidence has been quite a lot about the same league. जितने भी यहाँ हैं उनके साथ हम आहंगी and of course the cooperation that we have with all of the countries and the nationals who are working helps a lot for the image of the country.
ये हमने सफ़र स्टार्ट किया था 3 साल पहले की बात है ताकि इनको एक हेल्थी एक्टिविटी मिल सके और दुनिया को एक पाकिस्तान का इमेज आ सके। और इसमें इवन के एम्बेसडर्स भी हमारे साथ प्ले करते हैं। तो खुशी की बात होती है जब ये पाकिस्तान से जा रहे होते हैं अपना मिशन कंप्लीट करके, तो मुझे यही कहते हैं मोशर हम पाकिस्तान में जो फुटबॉल लीग है उसको मिस करेंगे।
name is Oleg.
And from
I am from Ukrainian embassy from Ukraine. This diplomatic league is very, very good, very interesting for us. And many players from different countries play here, and it's a good opportunity to. I like Pakistan. It's very good country. It's amazing country because it's good weather all around the world, all around the year. I like it.
PFPT.
winner team. You are all. No.
Boleh cakap, suara tak masuk lah. I'm gonna score. I'm gonna hat-trick. I'm gonna hat-trick.
Tanah maujud.
Football league, yeah, it's a great event. We have fun, but we also can challenge ourselves. Pakistan are very nice, very friendly. I love the hospitality, love the food, I love the culture, and we're having a good time here. And
I didn't have my makeup today. It's a very nice league. It's a very great opportunity to meet a new people, to have a new friends. Well, regarding the Pakistan, my feelings is the best ones. And regarding the matches and regarding the organizations and the field and everything. And thanks to the all people who took part in organizing this, they gave us everything like field, t-shirts, everything good to play.
My name is Hussam from Yemen. Well, this is my third time this is my third year attending this event, and it's amazing. We can see people from different countries. We test our football skills as well. So I'm really excited for it, and I hope my team can do something and we can win inshallah. أنا في باكستان من 13 سنة، وصراحة أنا مستمتع بجمال وطبيعة باكستان الخلابة، وأنا يعجبني أنا ألعب كرة من صغري، فإن شاء الله هذه الفرصة بتكون فرصة رهيبة لنا ونحقق اللقب فيها إن شاء الله بإذن الله. I've been growing in some different countries like Pakistan and Russia, but I am loving Pakistan and I don't want to leave Pakistan.
My name is Muhammad Nohaika Daniel, Malaysia.
I feel like really scared because this is my first time to play with adult. Because at Malaysia, I was just playing like under 10 and under 12. I want to try have experience. This is my father. He make us join this. And this is my friend. His name Abuzar. Your name?
John. Mr. John.
All of our team to be player because last minute they tell that
Your team. Yeah.
Hi, my name is Dennis.
And from?
I'm from a German embassy in Islamabad.
Oh.
It's the second time we participate in this league, and last year it was a great success, also very well organized. And this year you can see there are more teams, more variety, and more people are playing, and more people are around. And so I'm happy to see that football is a sport which becomes more and more common in Pakistan. I feel very secure, and so it makes fun, and this is something sport and also football is about.